February 4th. Are you done drinking? Oh, look at the ring light, like reflecting off my glasses. Isn't that awesome? Come on, Miriam, you got words. Use them. I know it's boring, isn't it? Messes, messes, messes. It's a mess. Hello, good morning. Welcome to Mimi's Outlet, Reselling Mom. As you can see, I'm outside because I'm walking the dog. So if the camera is shaking, hold on, let me just put it in the other hand. Better, because the dog is yanking on my arm here a little bit. She's pretty well behaved though. Oh, and she has to go potty. I won't show you that. So today is going to be a bit of a vlog. So if you're up for that, stick around. And I have a lot of stuff to do. And a lot of this is also reseller related, but it's also gonna, what's with my voice? It is also going to have some, you know, random house stuff and whatnot woven in there. I can't talk. Okay, insert footage of the cute dog. Hi, I just dropped off the kids for their visit with their dad, and I'm gonna go home. Normally this will be a time where I would go to, you know, a thrift store or once a month, which is one of my goals, to go around town and pick up things that I bought off Marketplace to flip, but not today. No, today I have other things to do. Right, Chloe? Yeah, we have other things to do, don't we? Mm-hmm. She's not too impressed with me because I had to leave her in the car for maybe 10-15 minutes by herself, and she cries like a baby. You're fine, lady. You're fine. I always come back to you. Yeah, I do. Anyway, so I'm going home and I will catch up with you there. All right, see you there. Hi, and welcome back to my house and to my messy kitchen. So yeah, this is what I need to tackle right now. See? Dishes. So right here, that's clean stuff that needs to be put away. Minus the toys, although they're probably, I don't know if they're clean. I wouldn't even, yeah, no, don't go there. Dirty dishes, leftover food from yesterday. See, those are some pork chops. I'm planning on making a soup because if you look behind me on the stove, there is the insert of my Instapot, and those are the drippings and the sauce that I used yesterday. So I'm gonna have to use this and throw it into a slow cooker and make a nice soup out of it. And I have some drippings and sauce from like a previous time I did pork chops, so I think it's about time to make a soup. And what I bought a little while ago, which I'm excited about, this is stuff for soup, and it's a Dutch product. I love it because I am Dutch. I am from the Netherlands, so it's dried soup vegetables. This is what a lot of people use in the Netherlands. There's a lot of dried stuff, and I just wanted to try it. You know, my kids don't really like vegetables much, but if I throw that in the soup, maybe it'll mask it a little bit. So anyway, finally this week I actually sat down and painted. So I'm very happy. Painting turned out amazing. I'll pop up a photo for you. If you want to see how I made that painting, that video will be over on my other channel, which I'll link in the description. Anyway, let's get started on this beautiful mess. Next is to work on my slow cooker and get that soup going. And after that, I'm gonna go upstairs and do some stuff about reselling. I'll meet you up there in a little bit. and welcome to my room slash workspace. I am about to get started on some stuff for my business. I did a few things while I was uploading some of the footage that I just shot because I'd like to stay on top of that. Sometimes my phone or computer gets slow about this, and at the time when my kids come back home, usually one of them is using my phone for something or another, so I want to do that now. However, today I'm going to be talking to you about some of the things that are behind me. I got some shipping supplies in. You see that shirt that's packed right there? Yeah, I made a mistake, so stay tuned for that because I'm going to have to fix it and I'll show you. And then the biggest thing I need to do today, and I'm going to walk over, is my closet here. Okay, I'm right in front of the light, so it's kind of hard to see, but this is yarn. Yeah, I think I have a little problem, maybe. This right here needs to be dealt with. Okay, give me a second. I'm just gonna change the angle here. There, I'm behind the camera now. You get a better view. Yes, that's my little art station. So yeah, that's all yarn. And it's just sitting there, and I'm thinking I can use that for some inventory, and I'm gonna have to go through it. Now, if you look closely, on the left-hand side, underneath that purple mess that is supposed to be a duvet cover that I just decided not to fold, there's a blue bag, and that's actually a yarn bag. It has many compartments in it, so I'm thinking I'm gonna condense a couple of things in there so that my kids can actually, if they want to, go through there and pick out yarn. So there you have it. That's the idea. I'm gonna just mount the camera and we'll show you how I organize this. But I'm gonna do it fast forward. Don't worry, it's gonna not be an hour long of me rummaging through my closet. That would be boring. So, but yeah, stick around because I'm gonna talk about some shipping as well as the mistake I made with that. Come on, Miriam, you got words. Use them. The shirt. Yeah, that. Okay, we'll see ya in a little bit. So I'm taking a quick break. I've closed my closet for now, and I brought the totes downstairs that I want to put into the crawl space, but I'm not doing that today because I'm gonna need some help from my son, and yeah, I'm tired. So I'm gonna go and work on some other things that need to be worked on before I need to go grab the kids. So as far as the yarn is concerned and bringing new totes up for inventory, I'm probably going to continue with that tomorrow, but I really need to get going on some other stuff because, yeah, in about an hour or so, I'm going to have to go and grab kids. And I don't know if I'm going to have enough time to do what I want to do, so let's get to it. Okay, so as I mentioned earlier, I made a mistake with this little guy because I thought I had all the pictures taken and I only had one picture taken. And I put it in this little bag because I got super excited about the bags because guess what? I got those yesterday. And I want to show them to you. There's different sizes, if I can hold on to them. So these are lovely little plastic bags. These ones have the warning on them. I'm not sure if you can see that right at the bottom. And they have little vent holes right here and here, and the self-adhesive strip at the top. So this is a 6x9 inch. And I bought a multi-pack, so I bought 4 different sizes, and I'm not sure if it's 100 or 20. Doesn't matter. I don't sell that much anyway, so for now this is good to have on hand. So this is the 6x9 inch. And then the next size up is 8x10. Oh, let's see, I rubbed that off. It rubbed off on there. Anyway, 8x10, same idea. 9x12 inch, and then the 11x15. So the biggest one, and I had to do some shuffling to get like a bigger item in there. So I think I need a one size up from this, or maybe another 2 sizes up. The 11x15 bags, probably for, well, I can use this for jeans. I can use this for sweaters if I am smart folding them. So, but I'm quite stoked about it because it's going to protect the item inside the envelope and it's just going to look a little more professional. So anyway, with this little guy, it was sitting here on my table and I wanted to try it out so bad, and I just threw it in there and then realized, oh, I still got to take more photos. So I'm going to have to take it back out and wreck this. Now I test to see how stuck this. That's awesome. You can't open it by pulling on it. I'll put my nails in it. So that's good to know that it doesn't just open easily. One wasted bag, but I need to post it on Poshmark. So I'm gonna take photos right now and then I'm gonna go and post this, list this, and then repackage it. Miss Chloe, you gotta move your butt. Yeah, there she is. You're in the way, girl. Can you just move? Thank you. So there we go. This is how my setup is right now. It's not the most professional, but it is what it is. That's listed on Poshmark. I have lots of other stuff that I'm going to be drafting right now, so I'm going to set it up for next week so I can like list, you know, one item at a time, but I want to do the majority of the work on the weekend so that on the weekdays, as I'm getting kids to school and doing other things, and I do run another side hustle, I just have to go in and for Poshmark, I just have to go into the draft that I've already made and then just go list. And for eBay, what I tend to do is I tend to schedule the listings. So I will probably take a bunch of items, photograph them, make drafts or a new listing, and then schedule listing. So, and if you want to know how to do that, let me know. I can make a whole video on that if you'd like. But those that are a little bit more seasoned, you guys know how this works. Anyway, so that's about it for today's video. I hope you kind of like this kind of a vlog idea, and other than that, I am leaving you to a hopefully wonderful weekend. I have no idea when I'm posting this video, but whenever it's ready, I'm just gonna have to pace myself. It's okay, I don't have to go lightning fast. Been there, done that. Doesn't always work. Okay guys, have an awesome day, stay happy, keep your peace, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.